Hello, welcome to the 3-day weather forecast with Paul Ugbah. On Thursday, we expect most parts of the country to be sunny in moderate dust haze conditions. However, poor horizontal visibility is still expected in places around Dutse and Kano, where values are expected to be less than 1,000 meters. The inland cities of the south are expected to be partly cloudy, with prospects for thunderstorms along the coast extending from Lagos down to Calabar areas. Maximum temperature values on Thursday are expected to be highest in Taraba and Adamawa State, where values are expected to reach 37 and 38 degrees Celsius. In other parts of the north, we expect to see values between 33 degrees Celsius, as we see in Kano, to 36 degrees Celsius over Sokoto areas. Towards the central parts of the country, 27 degrees is expected over Jos, and the highest value over this region is 36 degrees Celsius expected in Niger State. The southern parts of the country are expected to watch out for a temperature range between 28 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. For our air quality forecast, because of the dust in suspension over areas that appear in this map on orange coloration, we expect these areas, the atmosphere over this area and the air quality over these areas to be unhealthy for sensitive groups, talking about people who are susceptible to respiratory infections and diseases, while places that appear in yellow over the northeast and also the southern parts of the country have moderate risks for health conditions of persons over these areas. By Friday, we also expect weather to be sunny generally across the country in moderate dust haze. However, we expect a slight improvement in horizontal visibility over this region. Partly cloudy conditions are still expected to prevail over the inland cities of the south, with prospects for thunderstorms around the southeastern parts of the country extending to Port Harcourt and Uyo areas. Maximum temperature forecast on Friday is expected to range between 32 degrees Celsius and 36 degrees Celsius over the northern parts of the country, and also a slight increase over the central parts of the country. We expect temperature values to range between 28 degrees Celsius to about 37 degrees Celsius. We also expect the southern parts of the country to experience temperature values in the range of 28 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius. Our air quality forecast on Friday presents an atmosphere that has air quality that is unhealthy for sensitive groups in places that appear in orange around Yola and also around Kaduna, Zaria, Kano, extending to Sokoto and Kebbi areas. We also have part of the south that also have air quality that is unhealthy for sensitive groups. For Saturday, we also expect moderate dust haze to prevail over most parts of the country and partly cloudy conditions towards the central and the inland cities of the south. We still expect moderate dust haze to prevail over most parts of the north, while prospects for thunderstorms exist for areas around the southeastern coast. Our maximum temperature forecast on Saturday is expected to be 32 degrees Celsius over Kano State, and also we expect to see 35 over Maiduguri and 36 over Sokoto areas. The central parts of the country are expected to see a maximum temperature range between 28 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees. The highest values are expected over this region. The southern parts of the country are expected to watch out for a temperature range between 28 degrees Celsius over Ikom and also 34 degrees Celsius in Bayelsa. This is where we draw the curtains for the 3-day forecast. We'll keep you updated on a daily basis. Thanks for watching.